Good morning, y'all. It's Todd. Got Mark with me today from Seaux. Guys, I'm cutting a bunch of 3/4 inch boards this morning. I need some 3/4 inch by 8 inch wide and some 3/4 by 3 inch wide boards. This AccuSet 2 helps out a lot. It makes it so much easier cutting 3/4, half inch. It's all in the computer. Just push a button, drop it down, and you go. But let's see what we can do today. I got 136 3 inch boards and 36 8 inch boards to cut. Let's see if we can get her done. Hydraulics are cold this morning. Pretty log there. About a 30-inch log. Cutting some 1x3 battens, 3/4 inch thick on this right here. So I went ahead and dropped down 3 inches, even though it's not got a square side. I'll straighten it up later on the ends. It makes it where you don't have to cut so wide every time. It's a little easier on your saw. a piece of wood there. What I did on that log there is I saved my 1x12s out of it. It's a good boat. I'm cutting 1x3s, which I could have got a bunch of them out of this, but I can get my 1x3s, a 3/4 inch by 3 inch wide out of smaller trees. I don't have a bunch of big trees to get the 1x12s 12 foot. So I went ahead and cut this 12 foot out of this block. I got the 3 inches from the outsides around, and I saved my block on the inside where I can get my 1x12s while I need them. You gotta kind of manage your loads. When anything that you can get 12-inch stuff out of, you try to save them for when you need them. You can always go smaller, you just can't go bigger on it. Hope this helped y'all out. Hope you enjoyed the video.